There she goes. How not to do it? I've had my spikes pull my shoelaces out before while I'm in a tree, and then you're up in the top of a coconut tree, like, how am I gonna retie my shoe, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice thing about this tree is it hasn't been over spiked. There's really not that many spike marks on it. It makes it a lot more fun to climb. Don't worry about your spike punching through some rotten wood. Some nice nuts. A little bit baby, but we'll drink them. And there goes my Band-Aid. That didn't last long. Alright. Alright, everybody, stand clear. You too, John. I don't know about this leash thing. Comes to me. Whoa! You want to pull that frond out and save it for me?
Okay.
I'll save a couple of them for weaving.
Okay.
Want to save that one too? Okay.
Got it.
Yep.
Clear.
All right, just stand back. And you don't have to worry about it yet. I'm going to cut a face cut real quick.
Okay.
I knew I was forgetting something. It's not tied on.
Right.
Yeah. What I'm going to use for that, maybe this will work. There it is. Alright, it'll have a little bit of a drop on it, but you'll be able to catch it, no problem. Pull in your slack. In, come back! Nice and slow. I suspected that was going to happen. Well, it's still working. My rig is still working. It's just traveling up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to set the figure 8 up here. Kale,
Yeah.
I don't like you standing there. 1, because you can't see me. 2, because I can't see you. 3, because you're directly underneath me. Yeah, I'm almost thinking about sending the rope up and using the rope, because this is good, but it could slip out the end too. Yeah, send it up. This is Saul's favorite part right here. Nothing, just talking to my camera. You guys gonna set that plywood thing back up or not? You can lay something next to it to help hold it up, like a brick or something, I don't know. You're gonna belay it.
Yeah.
So you're gonna pull the tension,
Yep.
just like we did before, except for now the figure 8 is up here.
Yep.
You just hold it tight, yeah? There's gonna be a little bit of a jerk, but it's not gonna go out. So just hold it, just handle the jerk, yeah? And after that it should be fine. Best case scenario, I cut through it, put my saw down and push it off, yeah? All right, hang on tight. That's up. Nice and slow. Nice and slow, slow. We'll save that one for the heart, yeah, John?
Yeah.
Radio silence. I gotta concentrate here.
Okay, go ahead.
My main objective is to not put my flip line over the top of the stump.
Right.
Double up here. It worked! Jesus. You wanna pass me my other saw? I like this saw. It's a 16-inch bar. It's way more maneuverable than the 20-inch bar,
Yeah.
which is good. And when we get to the bottom of this tree, we're gonna need that. But when you're trying to like climb around and stuff,
Oh yeah. No.
I mean, 16-inch bar too is good with the top handle saw, but you don't have as much leverage as this.
Yeah.
This one you can really bear into it, get those logs on the ground.
Yeah.
Nice eye. That's the size.